Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Ebubechukwu here. We are making vegetable chicken in today's video. Hope you're fine. Please enjoy this video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Ebubechukwu here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make chicken vegetable, or you can say vegetable chicken. Okay, it's just boiled chicken garnished with vegetables. I'm making use of these two vegetables for today: the fluted pumpkin and the green amaranthus. So this is the tomato and habanero pepper. I'm going to dice it. That's what I'll be using to fry a little bit of sauce that will be adding the vegetable to. So the chicken has been cut and washed. Let's begin. So this is a clean pot. Put your chicken. This chicken is actually a fresh chicken from the poultry. It's not a frozen chicken. Okay, so just spice your chicken, add everything you want to add to the chicken while cooking it. Okay, just to make your chicken have a very good flavor. That's just it. After that, I'm going to add a little quantity of water and allow the chicken to cook. So I want to say a big hello to my new subscribers and to my new viewers, people that are watching this video or this channel for the first time. You're highly welcome. Okay, my name is Mommy Ebubechukwu, as I said in the beginning of this video. So if you love food, new recipe, this is the place to be. Okay, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up for our efforts. Okay, so you can see the chicken is properly cooked. The little broth that the chicken produced, make sure you keep it, save it for some other food. Okay, I'm going to bring out all the chicken, keep the broth in a little bowl for some other food. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil. You can make use of any oil of your choice. In here I made use of olive oil, so you can make use of any oil of your choice. So having the oil, the pot is already hot because we just brought out the chicken from it. You pour in your onions. Fry the onions before adding the pepper and tomato. You don't need to waste time after adding the tomato. You don't need the tomato to dry. Okay, so when you add the tomato, stir it for about 60 seconds, with it 1 minute, then you pour in the vegetables. So that's just it. I'm going to put the chicken into the vegetable, then turn everything together. I wish I had more vegetable. Okay, the vegetable just diminished, like it just disappeared. You know how big it was when I was turning it. Now look at the size of it on the pot. It's so small. But anyway, I'm going to put the chicken. After adding the chicken into the pot, I'm going to turn and mix everything together, and voila, the chicken vegetable is ready. The most important thing is to get enough vegetable for the chicken. Make sure when boiling your meat, the meat is tasty already. It has a very good taste. You know, we are trying to make this chicken vegetable as healthy as possible. I know some people will say, why not fry the chicken? But when you fry the chicken, the aim has been defeated. Okay, so it's best you either grill the chicken or you boil it the same way I did for this video. So you guys should get your fag and come and join me. Okay, it's ready. I actually prepared this on Valentine's Day. This is the second meal of the day for my husband before we went out in the evening. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in my next video. Bye.